Please use our written instructions and line drawings in addition to this video when installing Royal Corinthian Royalite fiberglass pergolas. Install concrete anchors and coupling nuts or wood or composite anchor plates using proper on-center spacing. Secure threaded rods to coupling nuts or anchor plates. Center column shafts over the substrate hardware and mark positions of shafts onto the substrate or plates. Slide bases over column shafts and set on top of substrate. Feed top of threaded rods through a hole at top of capitals. Hand tighten threaded rods using the lock washer and nut. Center and install rafters with attached angles parallel to each other using self-drilling screws. Install rafters without tails, perpendicular to rafters with attached angles. Use self-drilling screws as before. Center and install remaining rafters between the embedded brackets on the first level of rafters. Secure each second level rafter using 3/4 inch screws. Start from the middle of the pergola and work out. Pre-drilling not required. Mark locations of purlins on top of second level rafters and secure using the 2.5 inch screws. Pre-drilling not required. Make sure column shafts are still centered and level, and secure the nut at the top of the capital using a wrench. Caulk the gaps between the caps and bases and the shafts.